Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to manually set date and time on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the settings. They're located in the bottom left of the screen. So just go to settings. After that, go to date and time. And then just make sure to disable date and time automatically set. There we go. And now you can set the date and the time by yourself by pressing on either date or time and just changing it to whatever you want, whatever you need. If you want to change it to the current date or time. And then time works like this, where you have a clock that you adjust for yourself. You can change from AM to PM, and you can change from minutes to hours. So just like this. And then once you're done, click OK, and your date and time will be set. So that's pretty much it. Once you exit out the settings, your options will be saved automatically. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.